Everyone, it's Char from Char's Fascination. You might wonder what's in that. That is shepherd's pie. That is shepherd's pie. There is ground beef. There is some garlic, some balsamic glaze. I put one layer of Dano's seasoning. Yeah, you're going to see this package a lot. Now, what I am going to go ahead and do is sprinkle some pepper jack over the top of that. Honestly, you don't need too much cheese. You don't. Especially when you know you're going to be adding cheese, right? Give me a minute. I spread the cheese out. It's honestly not that much. So, add your seasoning on there. Nice modest amount, because I got to get some more. Cover that with the lid. Let that cheese melt. Meanwhile, I got to clean up the stove. So this is what it's looking like now. Once that starts coming up, you know this whole thing is heated. I know not all the cheese is melted yet, but I don't know if you can see it, but that piece right there is now melting. So it's all now melting. And now, all that's a lot of extra shepherd's pie. Now, shepherd's pie is filling. That is one thing. So, got my bowl. Everybody else has theirs. Don't mind me for looking a little tired today. But anyway, so that's encrusted with Dano's right there. Can you see that? Now I did layer some Dano's into this. See that? Got that nice crust of Dano's seasoning on the top. How was it, fellas? It's approved by the guys. It's approved by me. It's approved by my friend's teenage daughter. You know it's hard to get teenagers to eat. So anyway, don't forget the Dano. Always have some. Yum, yum, get you some.